Gloomy, muggy, steamy, hot day here at 71 degrees. When I walked out of the house this morning, it feels like 95. It's that humid. It's ridiculous. Anyway, we're doing a 2.5 ton furnace air combo. There's our old pulse venting coming out the side of the house there. Putting in a single stage 96% furnace. And 2.5 ton AC is going right here. I think the coil pan might have been compromised on this one. Maybe, not sure. Getting this pad leveled off here. Mark the pad, add on the line set, shove it in, solder it in. You're soldering, sometimes these, a lot of times, if you don't have them held up with something, you put a little heat on there and it's flopping apart. And then if you got solder in the joint, it's hard to get back together. So, very important to make sure everything is supported properly before you go and try and solder it, and save you a lot of time. Monkeying around with wet solder joints falling apart while you're soldering. Of course, that rock is what's saving me on the little one here. We got here, I was just taking this apart. The homeowner came out and said he had the saver switch disconnected years ago, which I'm a big fan of disconnecting that, because if this unit's sized right, on that 95 degree day or whatever, that they're going to be cycling you off for 20 minutes an hour. If this unit's sized right, it's sized for that 95 degree day, and it needs to run all day long just to hold whatever temperature it is in the house. If it's sized right, all it can do is keep it at whatever temperature it is in the house. So if it's 70 degrees in there, it needs to run all day just to hold 70 degrees. So, I mean, it's ridiculous to let these people, power companies, cycle you off during that hottest period, because you're going to be going backwards at the thermostat if you let them do that. So, yeah, no sense in leaving that ugly thing hanging on the side of the house. I had 3 screw holes. I'll just put some caulk in there. And all I got left out here, I got my 25 amp fuses in there and the disconnect, because we got our maximum 25 right there. Got a 30 amp breaker in the panel. So obviously we got number 10 wire. I'm just going to insulate the suction here and zip tie this up and tidy it up. And then I'm going to go inside and solder. Corey's had the sheet metal done by noon. Any day we get sheet metal done by noon is a good day. Been saying that for 20 years. And yeah, get the vacuum going, solder that in, pressure test, and get the vacuum going. I'm going to finish this though before it starts raining again. AC's all wrapped up. We just checked out the furnace. Furnace is all wrapped up. Didn't get much video today, but I was outside. Corey was in here. We got a new boot on there. Figgy had her puppy by C-section today, so we just got pictures of the pup. We're excited to go see the new pup. We need tape on here. I'm just trying to get this drive banged on the rest of the way back there, but other than that, we're all wrapped up.